Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semangat pagi semuanya. Kali ini di channel Ayah Kirno akan mengundang guru mata pelajaran Bahasa Inggris kelas 8 dalam rangka menyampaikan video pembelajaran terkait dengan perkenalan menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Selamat menyaksikan. Sebelumnya jangan lupa like dan subscribe. Dan untuk kehadiran kalian silakan isi kolom komentar dengan nama, kelas, dan mari kita simak bersama. Selamat belajar. Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, kembali berjumpa dengan channel Ayah Kirno. Hari ini kita akan mengulas terkait dengan mata pelajaran Bahasa Inggris kelas 8 bersama guru-guru SMP Negeri 1 Juntinyuat, yaitu dengan Bapak Rasjani.
Halo.
Dengan Pak Haji Udin.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Ya, kira-kira hari ini kita akan membahas materi apa nih Pak? Mungkin Pak Rasjani dulu.
Okay, thank you very much. Before we explain about the material for today, I want to use two languages, English and Indonesian. And then for forward, I use Indonesian first. Jadi saya akan menggunakan dua bahasa supaya kalian jelas ya. Jadi bahasa Inggris dengan bahasa Indonesia. Materi untuk first meeting, untuk pertemuan pertama according to curriculum 13 sesuai dengan kurikulum 13. For the second grade untuk kelas 2, namely introduction atau perkenalan. Okay, before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Rasjani. I'm the English teacher of SMP 1 Juntinyuat. I teach the students in the second grade. And beside me, Mr. Haji Udin. Haji Udin is the English teacher too. And then how about Mr. Haji Udin, please you introduce.
Okay. Hello, everybody. I want to introduction myself. My name is Pak Usin or Pak Hajuddin. I am English teachers in the class of
Second grade.
K, H, I, and J. Both of us are English teachers in the second grade.
Mr. Rasjani, don't forget it. And then in this nice opportunity, we are going to explain the material today, especially for the first meeting is about introduction. You know introduction, in Indonesian, dalam bahasa Indonesia, introduction itu perkenalan. And it two kinds of introductions. Ada dua introduction, ada dua perkenalan. We can introduce myself, we can introduce others, friends, daughter, sister, teacher, and others. Mr. Uzin, what do you know about introduction? What do you know about introduction? What is introduction?
The introduction is to give the other people to know.
Introduce.
Yes, to know about myself identity and everything about me. Yeah.
Artinya apa tuh Pak? Artinya?
You can translate into Indonesian, so the students can know what you mean.
Ya, biar siswa kita bisa mengerti mungkin.
Of course, that's
Pengenalan
right.
adalah sesuatu hal yang kita sampaikan kepada orang yang belum pernah kita kenal tentang jati diri, identitas diri, apa saja ya, tentang apa itu tempat tinggal, nama, status, atau sudah berapa lama mengajar di SMP Negeri 1 Tintinjat ini.
And then,
Mungkin itu.
if you give the material about introduction to the students, well, what must you prepare for giving the material to us, to me, and to others, and to students? What must you prepare for giving the material about introduction? Jadi kalau misalnya Pak Haji Udin nih pengen ngajar tuh tentang perkenalan, apa sih yang Pak Haji Udin siapkan untuk materi perkenalan itu?
Ya. The first,
Oke,
Yeah.
please Pak Haji Udin.
I think to give the our identity, my identity to other people or to especially to our students, we have to prepare
Pictures.
some media of
Of course, medias. Of course.
some media. For example, pictures or
Videos.
videos or everything. Watch everything we can support to understanding to student. How about me?
Apa artinya tuh Pak?
Introduction.
Gimana Pak rasanya? Bisa diartikan mungkin tadi?
According to the explanations by Pak Haji Udin says that Pak Haji Udin itu menjelaskan bahwa jika kita ingin menyampaikan materi tentang perkenalan, apa yang diucapkan oleh Pak Haji Udin tadi, bahwa kita itu harus persiapkan media pembelajarannya, contohnya misalnya gambar-gambar, video-video yang tentu saja kaitannya dengan tema introduction itu, dengan tema perkenalan itu. And then what else Pak Haji Udin? What else after that? The second step maybe. Okay, Pak Haji Udin, after you explain you explain preparations for teaching introduction to students, and then maybe any other step, maybe what step after preparing medias you say like that? What step?
Okay, I answer. My answering is we have to preparing the media, some media.
No. I mean after preparing medias, what else you do? Next step
Next step
to give the material,
Yeah,
to give the
our
material to the
students.
students, of course.
To give chance to our student one by one to want to
Performs
performs to
in front of the
in front
class,
of the class by
one by one. Okay.
one by one, okay,
Making dialogue,
the
okay.
making dialogue, okay. Yeah, in this situation we can what is it, they one by one make
Make a dialogue.
make ideas to introducing himself, this
In front of the class or making video?
making video
At home.
That's the daring activity,
Mhm.
because we
So after
cannot
that, they practice.
and then one by one.
Oke, para siswa, apa yang diungkapkan oleh Pak Haji Udin tadi, bahwa langkah kedua di dalam pembelajaran introduction atau perkenalan itu, Pak Haji menyampaikan bahwa setelah menyiapkan media pembelajaran, langkah yang kedua adalah Pak Haji Udin menginginkan para siswa agar membuat video di rumah. Kemudian mereka itu praktek di rumah, satu per satu, one by one. Kemudian video itu dikirim ke WA English teacher, ke WA guru, supaya guru itu mengetahui apa hasil karya dari siswa setelah pembelajaran tersebut.
Ini bentuknya berarti mengumpulkan tugas karena melewati
Ya, karena
secara daring ya Pak ya?
berkaitan dengan kegiatan di rumah itu,
Ya, jadi
kegiatan jarak jauh itu.
it is their jobs, their task to give their activities
know.
for about this time, time
About time?
this no
What
about
you
this
mean?
identity.
Oh, identity.
Hmm.
Not only identity. Limited to identity or others or many items. I think many items, not only identity.
Yes.
Of course. Jadi yang dimaksudkan oleh Pak Hajudin, kalian membuat video itu tidak hanya identitas kalian, termasuk juga semua hal-hal yang berkaitan dengan yang ada pada diri kalian, apakah itu orang tua kalian, rumah kalian, lokasi kalian, usia kalian dan sebagainya. Itu maksud Pak Hajudin seperti itu.
Yeah.
Could you give me the example? Could you give me the example for teaching introduction in front of this class? Bisakah Pak Hajudin itu memberikan contoh pengajaran perkenalan di depan kelas? Seperti apa sih? What does it look like? Seperti apa?
Okay, student, I will give you the
Material.
example about the personal identity. Before you performs to make your identity to your friends and your teachers, I will give you one example about the personal identity. Okay, my name is Mr. Uzin. You can call me Pak Uzin or Pak Haji Uzin. I live in Junti Kebon, and I'm English teachers. I'm your English teachers in second grade. GHIG classes. And what is my age is
Your age.
yeah my age 44 years enough old. And I in SMPN Juntinyawat 1 almost 12 or 13 years.
13. Oh my God.
I come here in 2012. Yeah. And what is it there? In every day I go to school by motorcycle because the distance from my home to school is not too far. And then what is it? What else?
Translate or no?
I have a wife, yeah, and I have 2 children. Maybe enough.
Oke,
I think
thank you.
enough.
Hello guys, said by Pak Haji Udin. Pak Haji Udin give the materials in front of the class before you make videos about introduction. Pak Haji Udin says, Pak Haji Udin introduce himself. His name is Mr. Haji Udin. Jadi namanya tuh Pak Haji Udin. Kalian bisa, you can call him. Kalian bisa memanggilnya Pak Udin. Pak Haji Udin guru bahasa Inggris di kelas 8 dari 8G sampai 8J. Dia sudah mengajar di SMP Negeri 1 Junti Nyuat itu katanya sudah 13 tahun, 30 years. Sudah 13 tahun. Dia tinggal di Junti Nyuat. Dia punya seorang istri dan punya 2 anak. Oke. Itu perkenalan dari Pak Haji Udin. And then about me, may I introduce to you?
And now your turn to give.
It's okay. And then I want to
Your
complete.
identity to
I want to complete to give
our
the
teachers,
materials.
our
Okay,
students.
the example for a comparison between Pak Haji Udin and me. Hello, the students. Good morning.
Good
My name
morning.
is Rasjani. You can call me Jani. I'm from Jatibarang district, and then basically from Pawidian village. I go by motorcycle from home to here. I teach the students in the second grade from class A to F. I teach the students here. I teach the students in the state junior high school 1 Juntinyuat 2 years. I love it so much. And I have a wife. I have 1 child. She is so beautiful. I am 50 years old. My hobby is badminton.
Oke,
You like
thank you.
badminton? And then you like, of course, the same with me.
I'm like.
Of course. And then for the second example, introduction and it too. First, introduce self and introduce others. And then for introduce self is okay, I think enough. The giving materials and then the giving examples given by me and given by Pak Haji Udin. And then for the second, I want to give the examples for introduce others. Okay. Beside me, he is Pak Haji Udin. He is so handsome. He is, oh yes, of course.
I'm
Oh, such
old.
a thing.
Thank you, Mr. Jan.
Yes, you're welcome. And he is from Junti. He is 40 years old. 40 years old.
44.
41.
44 years old.
44. He is 44 years old. He likes badminton too. He is badminton player.
Oh, no,
And then
no, no.
he won the competition in Changkingan Cup
It's good.
2 months ago. And he likes not only badminton, but he likes traveling, he likes photographic and others. And I think enough for introduce others. The example I need to introduce myself and introduce others.
Oke, Mr. Jani.
Okay, thank you very much.
Ya, untuk siswa kita yang di rumah nih, kira-kira tugasnya apa untuk materi ini?
The duties of the students, tugas untuk para siswa at home di rumah. First, pertama, kamu harus memahami what is introduction. Jadi kamu harus memahami apa sih perkenalan itu. Said by the English teacher, said by me and said by Pak Haji Udin. Introductions is used for introduce self and others. Jadi introduction itu digunakan untuk memperkenalkan diri, juga untuk memperkenalkan orang lain. Apa yang diperkenalkan? Bebas, tidak hanya identitas. Mau hobi, mau tempat tinggal, mau orang tua dan sebagainya. Tugas kalian yang kedua, the second duty is, tugas kalian yang kedua, said by Pak Haji Udin, after you know about introduction, setelah kamu mengetahui apa sih perkenalan itu, you don't forget, you make a video. Jadi kamu buat video about yourself, video tentang diri kamu sendiri. Please you make an introduction about yourself. Silakan kamu buat perkenalan tentang diri kamu sendiri in the form of video, dalam bentuk video. Itu tugasnya. Jadi tugasnya 2. Yang pertama kamu pahami, yang kedua buat video. Tentu saja kaitannya dengan materi introduction atau perkenalan.
Nanti kirimnya kemana nih, Pak?
And then for the last, please you send your video Ya. To the private number, ke nomor pribadi. The
Oke.
English teachers, private number, my private number and Pak Haji Udin's private number. And then from the students class, the second grade A to F, please you send to my private number. And then from the students
G,
G,
H-I-J.
ya G to J, to Mr. Haji Udin's private number.
Oke, berarti nanti kelas A sampai F kirimnya ke Pak Rasjani
Of course.
dan G sampai J kirimnya ke
Pak Haji.
Pak Hajudin.
Ada tambahan, Pak. Untuk
Any addition from Pak Haji Udin?
ya.
Oke, tambahnya apa Pak Hajudin?
Boleh secara individu membuat video.
Mm-mm.
Istilahnya namanya
Individual,
individual.
individual task,
Iya,
tugas pribadi.
iya. Boleh juga berkelompok.
Of course.
Jadi saling mengenalkan.
Group task.
Oke, kalau saling mengenalkan berarti tetap ya menjaga protokol kesehatan berarti ya.
Jaga jarak ya, protokol kesehatan.
Iya.
Don't forget, say your names.
Di rumah siapa
Jangan
gitu ya.
lupa sebut namamu.
Berarti nanti cantumkan
Nama,
identitasnya juga ya dalam mengirimkan tugas tersebut.
Of course.
Iya, dan begini, dan kalau sendiri namanya monolog teks. Anda memperkenalkan diri sendiri, itu namanya monolog teks. Tapi kalau rame-rame,
Dialogue.
itu namanya dialog teks. Gitu ya.
Oke.
Ini tambahan.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ada tambahan lagi mungkin?
Oke, I think for the conclusion, saya kira untuk simpulannya, introduction, ya namanya juga perkenalan, berarti lingkupnya tentang perkenalan. Dan don't forget, jangan lupa yang dikenalkan itu apa sih? Bebas. Mau tentang identitas kalian, hobi kalian, dan sebagainya. Jangan dibatasi. Ya namanya perkenalan itu tidak terbatas. Kalian kenalkannya tuh bebas.
Iya, nggak begini, nggak tambahan lagi, nggak hanya diri kamu sendiri, tapi juga kamu memperlihatkan, nah ini foto ayah saya, this is my father,
Yeah.
this is my mother, this is my sister,
Yeah, your family.
yeah, yes, how many
Members.
members of
In
your
your
family in your home?
At home, yeah.
Oke.
Okay, I think enough. Thank you very much for the students, and I say sorry if our perform is not good, not perfect, and then I think there doesn't not like by yourself. Yeah.
Situation,
I'm so sorry.
emergency that
Emergency situation, and we say thank you very much, and then don't forget you response our videos teaching, videos teaching.
Oke, tadi telah kita dengarkan bersama materi perkenalan dengan menggunakan bahasa Inggris sebagai materi pertama di kelas 8 mata pelajaran bahasa Inggris. Kurang lebihnya maaf. Sekian, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.